solution, we are going to look at the effect of solubility in different temperatures of water. So we're going to see water at different temperatures. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and you are going to need a salt. We have got copper sulfate that we are going to use. And what we are going to do, we are going to add copper sulfate to different temperatures of water to see how much dissolves. In this then we've got our control variables. We are going to keep the same volume of water each time. We're changing the temperature, but we're going to keep the volume of water the same. And we're also going to have the same starting mass of our salt. So we're going to start the mass at 5 grams always when we add it to our different temperatures of water. Hazards then, this is an irritant. We don't want it to get inside our eyes. It's going to irritate our skin, our eyes, if we get it on us. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to weigh my salt. We know it's 5 because I made sure it is 5 grams. So I've written it down here ready just so we know. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt at a time to my volume of water. We're starting at 20 degrees. We're starting at the lowest, and then we're going to record down how much of the mass has dissolved. So I'm going to start. I'm going to do this down.
It might not even. So if there's still little bits at the bottom, it hasn't all dissolved. So I don't.
It's going.
Thinking about inaccuracies with this experiment, a big inaccuracy here now is Mrs. Gundy stirring it. Is she going to be stirring it exactly the same force every time she does it? So you can invest in mechanical stirrers, which will stir exactly the same force every time. Add a little bit more in.
Add a bit more in. And again, stirring to get all of it dissolved.
And as soon as it doesn't dissolve, that means you're finished. We're going to weigh the mass again then.
Okay, so as you can see after I've stirred it, we still have, in the bottom, we still have some of our copper
Yeah. Yeah,
that we can see. So I'm not going to add any more of my salt in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to weigh the mass and I'm going to work out the difference. So on here I've got 4.2. We started with 5, so I know that at 20 degrees, 0.8 grams of my salt dissolved in my water, and we'll repeat the experiment for 40, 60, 80, 100 degrees. Okay, so as you can see then, I've done 20 degrees, 40, 60, 80, 100, and as we increase the temperature, the amount of our salt we could dissolve in our solution increased. So at 20 degrees we only had 0.8, but by the time we increased the temperature to 100 degrees, 3.1 grams of our salt was able to dissolve in 100 grams of water. With this then, we are able to go and plot a solubility graph, which you could be expected to do.